All right, guys, so you can see back here, we have camping. Ha! We were camping in the living room. It is so cold outside, so we brought everything inside. But what I'm going to be testing out is the Black Orca. This is the Aquathorn inflatable chair. So we're going to break it open here and see what are some awesome things about it, because I tell you what, I love when we have an awesome product to be able to work with. So here we go, the Aquathorn. It is an inflatable chair set up. There's your dimensions, and yeah, it does weigh about 2.26 kilograms. So let's go ahead and open it up here. I like the packaging. That's super nice. So let's open it up here and see what we are working with. Here is all of our base section. Let's go ahead and see this. I'm going to be using this to watch TV on the inside so I can get prepped for when it is warmer on the outside. So here we go. All of our bottom section. That's kind of cool. Here is a guide. That's what we get, the easy comfort aspect. Here's the guide. It tells you how to do it. So step 1, as shown, unfold the chair frame. Okay, release the Velcro, and then you start to put it together. Bada boom, bada bang. So let's see what we can do. All right. So we're going to release the Velcro. Important part, make sure you know how this goes back together. I like to take a mental note of it, how it comes packaged. That's super important. So let's go ahead and start to put this together. Now you're just going to flip all these pieces and put them in the right slot, and it makes it super simple. So there you have it. Look how easy that was. That is dreamy right there. Let's get to the other side. Okay. All right. Okay. And last one is going to be this last foot. And we should be able to connect these out. That's kind of cool. All right. So there is our base. Just like so. All right. That connects there. Nice and easy. And that connects there. Okay. Shows you how to put it through. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. Here is our inflatable section. Right here. Comes in a bag, so let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay. Boom. So, it is going to show you which side to put everything in. This is really nice. It's got these little pockets right here. You're able to put some stuff in. So let's see what we are working with here on the design itself. All right. So I do believe, hopefully, maybe, possibly, these should go in here. Just like that. Drop this down. These ends should pop in like so. Now it's supposed to be pretty tall. Okay? So as you have it, it's supposed to be pretty tall like that. That's the way it's supposed to be. Now let's go ahead and get a quick section. On the back, you can see right here. Let's get this up so you're able to see a little bit more. On the back, you can see right here, there is a little inflator section. So if you have a little inflator you want to use, you can definitely make that happen right here. All right, so right here you have the inflator. So you can use an inflation tool or you can blow into it. So that's what we're going to do. Oh, that's cool. All right, so there you have it. Now, look how cool that is. So let's go ahead and get a seat here and see what we were working with. That's comfortable. Honestly, I could probably use this without the inflation. That is so comfortable. That just gives it that added nice touch. Really simple, really easy. I do like the high back a lot. So the high back is really nice. So as I'm sitting in here and I'm watching TV as we're doing our little camp out in the living room tonight, we're just able to enjoy this. So super easy aspect. Really digging it. Black Orca did it right with this product. I don't feel like I am not steady because of the way it goes together with the poles. I feel like it's extremely steady with it here, and I got a ton of back comfort with it. So at the end of the day, if you're looking for a new camping chair, you want something comfortable, something inflatable, easy to make it happen, you've got to check out Black Orca because they got it right. Check it out.